What's happening with Meta materials?
Let's go. Let's analyze ticker MMAT. We also have into account MMTLP, the OTC, but this chart is very similar, so we're analyzing this one in TradingView. What is happening right now? Because the level of $2 is holding after this huge uptrend of more than 250% in just a couple of months. Will this level be broken out or will it be held and we will go to lower levels? What do you think, Alvaro?
Okay, as always, no financial advice. We have it here on the right, on the upper right corner, and it looks good for the moment. But obviously, after 250%, you may think, okay, when's gonna change? Because someday the trend will reverse and the price will go to back where it belongs. Because these stocks, like the ones that we analyze usually, is like they are companies in losses. So this is an uptrend based on hype, and when the hype is finished, the stock goes below where it belongs. So at this point, we are not worried, but obviously we have key support levels here, and if we see a breakout on the downside, it would be a good time to sell in that particular moment.
Yeah, personally, as usual, no financial advice, but I think that this level of $2 has been holding with a lot of strength, and I see like a change in the perspective of this uptrend. We had also in the past a few corrections of, let's see the percentage, yeah, minus 20% more or less, and this one has been similar, but I think that the hype is a little bit less. So personally, I'm not bullish nor bearish. I would wait and see how this level of 1.76 reacts, and from there, you could start thinking about buying or selling there.
Yeah, people continue, to buy at these particular levels, and it's fine, I mean, if the trend continues, it's fine. But obviously, I prefer not to do that at this particular point because after 200%, I prefer to do that when I'm the first, second, maybe the second, But right now, you could be the last one. You buy and then the trend reverses. Like, okay, you could lose. We always say that, manage risk, and we have to imagine the worst case scenario. So let's see what happens, Enrique, if the trend reverses. How much percentage are we talking about here?
Yeah, we could be talking about minus 67%, if the price goes again to 0.65. So if you are planning to take profit at 2.27, you are risking 76%, sorry, 67 again,
Mm-hmm.
for just a profit of 15%. So it
Yeah,
doesn't make sense at all. So if you plan to take profits there, you should plan also your stop losses like more close or closer to the level of your entry. If you risk 1%, you should go for 5 or 10%. That's our risk management, but something like that, something that makes sense to you.
exactly. Previously, when we were trading at 0.65, the risk was really, really different. We could lose maybe 10%, 5%, but the upside was like not unlimited, but we saw like that buying opportunity that we could get like a huge uptrend. So it was well managed. Maybe you were risking 1 to get 10, but right now it's quite the opposite.
Yeah, exactly. And if we take a look at the daily chart, we have like we are in the middle of this uptrend, this upside movement, and we have a lot of resistance here at these levels, of $2, 2.12 or something like that. Obviously, the price could break these levels and go higher to $3, 4, 5, or even the top side of the chart. But in order for that to happen, you need like some news like new earnings with profits or a lot of hype, like a short squeeze, but with more strength, even more than this one. So that's like a different scenario that you could plan for it, but you have to manage risk also. Okay, you can't forget about the reality of the market. And the thing is that if the market don't want to go up, it won't. I mean, it will do whatever it wants to do. So just plan ahead and act upon that because you can't move the market.
Okay, guys, if we have a here video on the right, click there and keep watching us, human traders.
Thank you. Have a nice week.